Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got asked how to have the ZEPETO character moving the mouth while talking. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let's get started. First, you want to open the Z Petal app. If you are new to this app, you can check out my previous tutorial on how to create the ZEPETO character as well as on how to turn off the ZEPETO ID when you try to save the video on the app. Now let me show you how to create the character talking. So click on the plus icon. Then you want to click on the camera icon. Make sure you are on the action one. In order to detect your face, make sure you look straight into the camera. Once you look into the camera, it should have the expression as you are talking. You can also make expression if you want. Then you want to make sure you have a background that is not the same color of what you have on your character. You can also change it to green screen. To do that, you can click on background. Select the green screen color. If you want to adjust the color, you can click on this icon here. Then you can adjust to a color that you want to use. Just make sure you select a color that is not what you have on your character. Then you can use two fingers to zoom out the character or zoom in the character, depends on how you like it. You can also click on gesture. Then select a gesture that you want to use or record it without a gesture. So it's up to you on what you want to use. Now you are ready to record. To record, just click on the red button. Then you can start talking in the camera. Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. Once you are happy with it, then click on the icon again. Then click on save. Then it should save to your album. You can always click on save video just in case it didn't save the first time. Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. With this method, you are only able to record up to 1 minute. So if you want to make video longer than 1 minute, you can click on X to record a second one. And to record the second part of your video, just do the same thing. Click on the red button to start the recording for the second part. And once you're done, just click on it again to save it. Click on save. Now we are ready to edit the clips in CapCut. So let's go to CapCut. Click on new project. Select the clip that we just saved. Then you can listen to the clip and trim up the part that you don't want. Then you can start talking in the camera. To delete the part you don't want, just click on the clip, click on split, and then select the part that you don't want and click on delete. So pretty much you will just listen to the whole video and edit the part that you don't want. Once you are finished, then export the clip. And now you are ready to use it with your other video. So open the video that you want to use. Click on overlay, add overlay. Then select the clip we just saved. And then you can zoom in to adjust the size if you want. Then we're going to click on the clip, then click on chroma key. Select the green background color, click on intensity, then adjust it till you remove the green screen. And you can just place wherever you want. So that's how you can create the ZEPETO character with the mouth talking. Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you would like to see more content from my channel, please consider like, subscribe, and comment down below as it will really help my channel to grow. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you next time.